Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete the secure folder on your Samsung or Android phone. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, if you press and hold on that secure folder, it doesn't give you the option to uninstall it or delete it. We need to do that within the settings. So open up the settings app on your phone. And from here, let's navigate to it by scrolling down and tapping on security and privacy. And after we've done that, we can find it just by scrolling down to get to more security settings. Tap on that. And now from here, there is the secure folder. Just tap on that to open it up. There is no option on here to delete it, but we can uninstall it, essentially removing the functionality. We're going to tap on the more settings here, and there is uninstall. You can tap on that and you can choose whether you want to move the media files out of the secure storage or not. You can choose one way or another and hit uninstall. And just like that, you'll be able to see if I swipe up or down all around, there's no more secure folder on my Samsung phone. Hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys.